In today's fast-moving world, businesses rely on seamless transportation of goods, whether by land, sea, or air. But what happens when unexpected events like damage or delays occur? At ICICI Lombard, we understand these risks, which is why we offer marine transit insurance, inland, your safeguard against losses during transit. Let's explore how our policies can keep your business moving, no matter where your cargo is headed. Despite the name, marine cargo insurance isn't just for sea voyages. It covers all modes of transportation, including road, rail, inland and coastal waterways, air, postal, and courier services. Whether you're a manufacturer, exporter, importer, or transporter, we ensure your goods reach their destination safely. Our policies protect against a wide range of risks, such as accidental damage in transit, natural disasters like storms and earthquakes, fire and explosions, cargo loss due to sinking, capsizing, or collision. What's not covered? Ordinary leakage, inherent vice, delays, or willful misconduct. But don't worry, we offer add-on covers for high-risk situations. We know that no two businesses are alike, so we offer policy options. Specific policy ideal for one-time shipments. Open policy suitable for businesses with regular shipments. Sales turnover policy, stop, a game changer. Covers all transits without monthly declarations, reducing paperwork and saving costs. If your business involves frequent shipments, the sales turnover policy, stop, is the way to go. It offers one-time setup, no need to track every shipment separately. Lower administrative costs, no transit-wise declarations required. Coverage includes domestic sales, purchase and inter-unit transfers. Hassle-free claim process, no risk of claims getting rejected due to missing declarations. Simply estimate your annual sales turnover, and we take care of the rest. Transporting large machinery or project cargo? No problem. Overdimensional cargo, OTC covers shipments too large for standard containers. Overweight cargo, OWC ensures safety for goods exceeding 30 metric tons. We provide expert guidance on lashing, securing, and risk management so your high-value cargo arrives intact. We know that delays can impact your business. That's why our claims process are quick and efficient, smooth claims settlement process. 24/7 support, our experts are always available to assist you. No matter the size of your claim, we ensure a smooth settlement process. Why take unnecessary risks when you can insure your cargo with ICICI Lombard? Whether you're a manufacturer, trader, importer, or exporter, we have a policy that fits your needs. Contact us today or visit our website www.icici-lombard.com to get a quote and keep your business moving forward.